My name is Joseph, and welcome to my home in Pennsylvania. Today we're going to be doing a recipe, pork tenderloin with corn muffins and gravy. First, we're going to start with the corn muffins. You need Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 egg, and some almond milk. First, open your corn muffin mix and empty out the package, the whole package. Then, you need an egg. Then, add 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. And stir it up like this. And then you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. What I did was I put them in cupcake holders, but if you want to make them by hand and roll them into balls, that's fine. You can do that. So for the gravy, I added vegetable oil. First you add a little salt here. Then I add some garlic powder here. Then I add a little bit of black pepper. Then you add 1 cup of flour. You add it slowly and gradually. You add some water when you get the color you like. Now finally, we have our pork tenderloin. Okay, now be careful when cutting the plastic wrap off of this, all right? Because you could actually end up cutting your finger, or you could bleed to death, and the bacteria from the pork could get into your bloodstream. I mean, yeah, but still, please be absolutely careful, all right? Okay, so then I covered it with olive oil, season it with some salt, and you can add whatever seasonings you want to it. You could season it with salt. For me, I'm gonna try to season it with a little paprika. And I will also sprinkle a little sprig of basil. You know, just so you could get an extra kick to it. And a little garlic powder. And I usually sprinkle a tiny bit of cumin. Okay, so I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and then I'm gonna put my pork in. So far, the corn muffins and the gravy are done. All we gotta do now is wait for about 30 to 35 minutes for the pork to be done. Yeah, and while I wait for the food to cook, I usually make myself a cup of instant coffee. So right now, I just got the pork, and Here's the moment of truth. It is time for the taste test.
Okay, will this taste good? Let's try this. Oh my gosh, it is perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served. Okay guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and please comment and subscribe and like this video, and let me know if you have any suggestions or questions about my videos. You have a good day and keep on cooking.